up, everybody? Brad, Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have an LS 416 cubic inch motor that just got done making some good power on the dyno here. This starts out as an LS3 block thing, made to produce some power and handle power. This has aftermarket LS3 performance heads on here. These are the non-coil cover valve covers on here, but we also offer the coil cover valve covers. We have a black sheet metal intake which comes standard with the package. We can also do a shiny intake as well. The block is painted black. We can also do a custom painted option if you wish. Give us a color code. We'll be happy to do something like that. Has an eagle rotating assembly in here with forged piston. It performs great, looks great, and going into your ride, it'll be quite a performing piece and quite a show piece. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Hey Robert, got your 67 Chevy Camaro engine here. It's one of our Chevy LS 416 cubic inch motors. I'm gonna fire up and give you the run demo. I think you're gonna like this.